Gavin. What is that?
Get that birdie. Get that birdie.
Gavin.
Get that birdie.
Whoop, birdie fell over. Get it.
Get that birdie. Get that birdie there. Get that birdie. Get it. Get that birdie. He sees the light now. Okay. Get that birdie.
Get it. Get it.
He's looking up there where it should be. I didn't do it.
Get it. Bird. Get the bird.
He's still looking up there. Because that bird shouldn't be down there.
Get it.
He's afraid to touch it or something. He's gonna get you.
Get the bird. Get the bird.
Did you see him jump? Oh, Mommy scared you.
It's okay. The bird won't hurt you.
Aww.
He won't hurt you.
Come here.
Here, we'll make it turn.
You want to come here? You want me to hold you?
What?
You want me to hold you? Come here.
He's talking to you. He's talking to you.
She said booty jumped. He plays with it every time he comes over. That's what's so funny. Aww.
But the birdie won't hurt you.
Aw, get it. Get it, Gavin.
Hurt you.
You want Grandpa to hold it?
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Oh, that's so fake. Get up.
You want the bird? You want it up here? Is it better up here? Sweet, sweet, sweet. Your pieces.
That is so funny.
Look, it's on Mama's purse.
Uh-oh.
On Mama's purse.
Better get it. Get that birdie, Gavin. Go get the birdie. Hurry up.
It's in my purse. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
I don't know what that is. Oh, that's funny. That is way too funny.
I didn't think he was going to jump.
Way too funny.
No.
There it goes again, singing.
It's in my purse.
I know, it's up there. Go get it. Go get the birdie.
Get the birdie.
What's that? That's Shadow. Get the birdie. Get that birdie. Get that birdie. Yeah. Go get it. You want me to help you out? Oh, come.